Hey guys, I made a video on how to repair a paint chip on a Tesla Model Y about 9 months ago. So I used this Java touch-up pen. There's a link down below in the description where I did that. And this is a follow-up now after 9 months. So, well, we can still see the spot where that paint chip was. But yeah, at least the surface is now white. But like if you compare how it reflects light, yeah, of course it's not the same. And yeah, it depends kind of on which angle you look at it, on how visible this is. There's some water on the car over there, and the paint chip is over there, so it is visible if you know where to look. But in order to make it reflect white, the light, the same way as the original paint, I think you would need some clear coat on top or something like that as well. So yeah, if you would want to do a full repair of the hood, you would need to have it professionally painted and do the whole hood, I think. So I think this paint chip repair is more like just preventing it from rusting and getting it at least a similar color. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.